Hey everybody, Ward again with Kangaroo Contractors, and we're going to show you some drone footage of a recent roof we completed in Highland Park, Texas. The unusual part of this situation was that the home did not have room for soffit vents, and in order for the roof to qualify for the Silver Pledge warranty, which is 10 years on the labor and lifetime on the materials, we had to have enough exhaust and intake ventilation so that the shingles would not blister and get damaged over time. So we used these new vents by O'Hagan, and we'll link them in this video, that are not only the exhaust, which is what you normally use vents for, but they are also the intake. If you look closely at this roof, you'll see that we had to put the vents on the upper part and on the lower part. So the lower part is the intake and the upper part is the exhaust. It was really steep, so these were very hard to get installed, but we were able to do it on 3 sides on the main house and on every side of the garage roof. So this roof color is slate in the Timberline HDZ by GAF, and if you need help with any of your roofing needs, give us a call and we'll hop to it.